When your Tosat air conditioner won't turn on, start with these essential power troubleshooting steps. First, examine the power cord. Tosat air conditioners use an LCDI plug, a safety feature with test and reset buttons designed to prevent electrical hazards. To test the LCDI plug, first plug in your air conditioner. Press the test button. You should hear a click and see the reset button pop out. Then press reset again for another click. If the plug doesn't reset properly, it needs replacement. Contact customer support for a manufacturer-supplied cord. Never attempt to repair a damaged power cord yourself. Ensure your air conditioner is plugged directly into a properly grounded 115-volt AC outlet. Avoid using extension cords or power strips, as these can cause voltage drops and safety issues. Next, check your home's electrical panel. A tripped circuit breaker or blown fuse will cut power to your air conditioner. Look for breakers in the off position or fuses that appear dark or melted. If breakers trip frequently, this indicates a serious electrical problem. Contact a qualified electrician immediately. Also, verify that your home's voltage is stable. Unstable power can damage your air conditioner. These power troubleshooting steps resolve most startup issues. Always prioritize safety. When in doubt, consult a qualified HVAC technician or electrician. If your Tosat air conditioner's control panel is unresponsive, the first step is to eliminate static electricity interference. Disconnect power at the circuit breaker for exactly 3 minutes. This allows any static electricity to dissipate and can restore normal operation. Next, check your remote control. 3 common issues can prevent proper operation. First, ensure nothing is blocking the signal path between the remote and the air conditioner unit. Second, replace the remote control batteries. Weak batteries are a common cause of remote malfunction. Third, if the remote display shows incorrect information, try resetting the remote control. Many units have an auxiliary button directly on the indoor unit that can turn the system on or off when the remote isn't working. Remember that Tosat air conditioners have a built-in 3-minute compressor protection delay. If you turn the unit off and quickly back on, or switch between cooling and fan modes, the compressor will not restart immediately. If problems persist after trying these steps, consult your user manual for specific error codes or contact a qualified HVAC technician for professional assistance.